happens if a frog is suddenly put into a pot of boiling water. It will immediately decide, "This is uncomfortable. I need to get out of here fast," and jump right out. But what if you take that same frog, put it in a pot of cold water, place it on the stove, and gradually heat it up? The frog will relax. It will notice that it's getting warmer, but it will think, "A little extra warmth won't hurt." Eventually, it ends up getting boiled. Many things in life accumulate gradually: debts, excess weight, and poor health. So don't underestimate the little things.